With recent price bump, with recent price increase, Terra Classic have been able to attract over $18.5 million in just one day. $18.5 million have been pumped into Terra Classic, unlike as of 2 days ago. By now, maybe we have been saying over 25 or 30 million dollars has been taken out of Terra Classic market cap. But at least today, you see people have actually invested on Terra Classic. The reason because Terra Classic at the time of recording this is rising, the price is going up. So definitely whenever the price is going up, definitely people will want to make money. People want to use the opportunity to earn some profit or buy coins, okay? And buying coins, imagine someone that must have invested $1,000 and Terra Classic, if Terra Classic is able to hit, let's say 10% in few days, that's about $100 profit already for those who are into maybe weekly trading or monthly trading. But if it is for intraday trader, I mean in and out trader, definitely they might cash out up to 20% or 30% of that amount of money invested on Terra Classic. But one important thing I'm happy today is at least over $18.5 million has been invested on Terra Classic back. Now, the market cap is now hitting over $377 million. So let's see if we can hit back at $400 million market cap, or maybe back at over $500 million market cap, which is $500 million market cap this month. If that can happen, it will be very good. I mean, to help this coin to recover more faster than we think. But once again, $18.5 million be invested by Terra Classic community, be invested by investors, traders all around the world. It is amazing, and mostly this money is mostly coming from Binance. Yes, based on statistics, this $18.5 million that have been invested into Terra Classic, you see Binance dominated almost 65% of this. So you see many people use Binance. A lot of people like using Binance, especially when it comes to Terra Classic. Binance controls more than half of Terra Classic trading volume, capital, market cap, and all this. So that is the reason we see a lot of people have still believe that yes, it will be difficult for Binance to just, Binance have been supporting this coin, and they believe they will keep on supporting Terra Classic. So they wish, a lot of people wants to see if they can keep on holding this coin, if things can change. But let's just see how it goes, because at the time of recording this, Terra Classic, though, is improving today, but it's still struggling. So let's see how it goes. Please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.